Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit this super slow motion video. So what do you have to do at the first? Let's open the camera, and I would like to edit maybe this one, right? It's super slow motion. So we have to click here to play, and the first feature is right here. When we tap here and then tap right here, we can go forward, we can play back the video, as you can see. And we can make something like that, the small clip of it, right? But the most edit things are right here when you tap on the three dots in the right upper corner, choosing the editor. And at the first we can move the sliders on the left and the right one, like that. So as you can see right now, it will looks like that. We can only focus on this moment. And if you want to change this, the long of the video, you have to move these sliders below. So it will looks like that. And of course, here you can find some kind of the stickers. You can add the music. There's a lot of things that you can add here, actually. But you know, it's not that much. It's not that important. You can also add the filters. So we can change a lot of things here. And we can change also the position of this video, like that. So yeah, after that you have to click save, and it will appear at the first video in your camera. It will be right here. So that's how we can edit the super slow motion in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!